you want to learn how to left align a text in Google Documents, this video tutorial is for you. So I am in a Google document file, which is productive, right? As you can see, this does not look normal, right? Does not, look normal. Three of the sentences here are right aligned. Productivity plan, this is right aligned. The second sentence is right aligned, and the third sentence as well is right aligned. So basically, I want to left align everything. So let's start with the first one. I'm just going to move my cursor on it, right? So my cursor is on productivity plan right now. The next thing I want to do is to come to this align and indent feature, then click on the drop down. Once I click on the drop down, then I can now left align. Once I hover on this icon here, you can see left align. So I'm just gonna click on it, and it has moved the productivity plan to the left. The same thing with the second expression. So I would put my cursor in anywhere here. Then the next thing I would do is to come to the align and indent feature. I will click the drop down, and I can now left align it. And that's it. So for the third expression or the third statement here, I want to left align it as well. I'm just going to come to the align and indent feature, and I will click on the left align feature. That's it. So that's how you left align a text or statement in Google Doc. If you find this helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.